Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with essentials. Back up important files and confirm your Google account credentials, because a factory reset erases user data and may trigger protection. Once done, make sure battery is above 50% or keep the charger connected to prevent interruption. Now, go to Settings System, tap Reset Options. Choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset to start. You're initiating the wipe. This removes personal files, apps, and settings, and prepares the phone for fresh setup or resale. You'll follow the on-screen confirmations. After selecting Erase All Data, the phone asks for your PIN or password to verify ownership. Enter credentials. This prevents unauthorized resets and protects your data. Then confirm Google account if factory reset protection is enabled, because that ties the device to your account. Tap Erase Everything and watch the process. Several reboots can occur as the system restores factory firmware. Be patient. Interrupting during this phase can corrupt the OS and require recovery tools. You'll finish by completing the setup wizard. Select language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign into your Google account to restore backup settings. If the phone doesn't boot normally, force recovery mode by holding power plus volume up until the boot menu appears. Then use Wipe Cache Partition first, or perform a factory reset from recovery if needed. If factory reset protection blocks access, you must sign in with the original Google account. Contact Nokia support only if you legitimately cannot recover those credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.